We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with an HP P4015dn. This printer takes a 64A or X. Pretty simple, you just lift up this top hatch, pull this bad boy out, set it to the side. While you're unboxing your new one, you don't want to get them mixed up or anything. And then you'll just take your new one and follow your guides. Once you hear it click, then you know it's in there correctly. Shut the front and you should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.